Question 8. Now, you're going to need your calculator on this. Now, if I look at this just here, I know there's lots and lots of text here. Ugh, yuck. The first thing that I'm thinking about is working out the volume. Right? I've got a solid, let's work out the volume. Now, the end is a trapezium. So let's just think about the area of the end section first of all. So to work out the area of a trapezium, it's the top bit plus the bottom bit, and then we're going to divide that by 2, and then we're going to multiply by the height, and the height is 2.4. So if you work that out, it comes to 5.28. Obviously just use your calculator, and that'll be meters squared. Right, now work out the volume. So the volume is just the area of the end multiplied by 2.5. So again, just on your calculator, just type this in, 5.28 multiplied by 2.5. That's going to be the total volume. And if you work that out, that's 13.2. And that'll be meters cubed. Now I don't want all of it. We need 85%. Right? It mentions about 85%. So let's think about the capacity of the oil. So that'd be, now the easiest way to work out 85% is just to multiply by 0.85. So 0.85 multiplied by 13.2. And that's going to equal 11.22 meters cubed. Now we need to start thinking about litres, because it talks about litres. So it says 1 meter cube is 1,000 litres. So we've got 11.22 meters cubed. So let's just multiply that by 1,000. Now if you multiply that by 1,000, that's the one bit I don't actually need a calculator for. So obviously you can use it if you want to. So we've got 11,220 litres. Now let's make sense of what it tells me here. It says after 1 minute, so this is telling me about the flow rate. After 1 minute, there are 300 litres of oil in the tank. So I want to see how many minutes it takes me. So all I need to do is, if I do 11,220, divide that by 300, that will tell me how many lots of 300 go into that. That's how many minutes effectively it's going to take. So that's going to give me altogether, again, just do that on your calculator, and it gives me 37.4. Now the question said, how many more minutes? Well, we've already had 1 minute. So make sure that we take away 1. So then our final answer is 36.4 minutes. Now part B says the assumption about the rate of flow of the oil could be wrong. Well, yeah, I suppose. So how's that going to make a difference to the answer? Well, let's say, so if it could be slower, it could be faster. So what difference would that make? Well, if the rate of flow is slower, therefore it would take longer to fill, or if it's faster, then it will be quicker.